Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher at Conservatory of the Ozarks, here today with
Olivia.
And Olivia is learning It's a Small World. So we're going to practice learning the moves for it today. So we take our fist and put it on our hip like this, and then take our other hand and make like a little sign like this and hold it up to our eye. So that's what we do we're starting regular, and then we're like, it's a small world. And the very first thing we do though is it's a world of laughter. So you're regular, and then you take your fingertips like this, make a big circle and point at your smile. So we go, it's a world of laughter, a world of tears. So happy face and then sad face. Let's try one more time. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. And then take your hands and put them together like you're praying and look happy. It's a world of hopes. And then take your hands and put them on your cheeks. It's a world of fears. And then we take our hands and go, there's so much that we share.
There's so much that we share.
And then put your elbow on your fist and point your head. That it's time we're aware. And here comes the small part. It's a small world after all. Good job. So let's do the whole first verse. Ready? It's a world of laughter, a world of cheers. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There's so much that we share that it's time we're aware. It's a small world after all. And then we repeat that, it's a small world after all, a bunch of times. And then the second verse is fist on your hip, put a straight elbow, one. And then you go up and look up when you do that. And then you do this same move again that we did from the first verse. And then we make mountains over a head. And I think that's it. So there is just one moon and one golden sun. And a smile means friendship to everyone. Though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, it's a small world after all. And the only thing in the chorus that's different is at the very end you go, it's a small, small world. So you do small twice. It's a small, small world. So let's try singing it, okay?
Okay.
It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There's so much that we share that it's time we're aware. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. There is just one moon and one golden sun, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, it's a small world after all. Good job. That's the whole song. So then you take your bow and smile, and you can push the square because we're all done.